We are live on YouTube also. So this is the first chapter that we are doing now, number system. And we will be able to complete our syllabus by 25th of January in 45 days. 45 days is more than enough for complete gap preparation of NIFT. And you have total 56 days left in your hand. Then you need to write mock test papers. GK is little different in NIFT. नॉर्मल जो जीके आप बाकी के पेपर में देखते हो वैसा निफ्ट का होता नहीं, निफ्ट का थोड़ा अलग होता है. Did you get the answer of this question? Find the value of m for which 5 to the power of m. See, we learned the concept in that if base is same, in case of division, we subtract powers. Okay, so we can write 5 to the power of m minus 3. Okay, and that will be equal to 5 to the power of 5. This side, on the left side, we can write 5 m plus 3, and on the right side 5 to the power of 5. Now LHS and RHS, if base is same, power will be same. So m plus 3 will become 5.
2.
Value of m is 2. If you have any doubt or any difficulty in understanding, let me know. मैं clear कर दूंगा आपके doubts. No doubt? Okay, let's move on to next question. Question number 20. Five by 8 to the power of minus 7 into 8 by 5 power of minus 4. You need to play smart over here. We learned 5 concepts or 5 rules of exponents. One of them you are going to use in this question. हमने जब भी सीखा ना, there are total 5 rules. Out of those 5, you are going to use one over here. We also learned that if you interchange numerator and denominator, power का जो sign है ना वो change हो जाएगा, right? So I'm going to interchange numerator and denominator for anyone. Let's say this first one. First one I can write 8 by 5 to the power of 7. Can I write like this? And this will be 8 by 5 to the power of minus 4. Now if you see, base is same. When base is same, in case of multiplication, powers are added. Add powers. So ये क्या हो जाएगा finally? Can we say it will become 8 by 5 to the power of 3? होगा?
Yes, sir.
So that is your answer. 512 divided by 125.
4.
Question number 21 is simple, but be careful, use board mass also. Use board mass plus exponents and powers. In this question, I'll give you the hint. In question number 22, you need to write 1250 as 2 to the power of something and 5 to the power of something. Do prime factorization of 1250, 1250, and easily you will get numbers in the form of 2 and power 5. 2 और 5 की पावर की तरह उसको लिखना है, you will get the answer. Now quickly tell me what is the answer for 21?
2 raised to the power of 10.
2 raised to the power of 10.
Sir,
Nice.
0.
Sir, 0.
मुझे लग रहा है आपका 0 भी नहीं. 0 कैसे आया?
1 sir.
How you get 0?
2 power 60 minus 2 power 60.
2 power 60 minus 2 power 20.
No sir, 2 power 60 minus 2 power
Minus 2 the power of 60.
No. See, there is no bracket over here, right? So when there is no bracket, we have to use board mass also. It will be 2 to the power of 25 plus 35 plus 40. Okay. Or another thing is, in the question, use this. Right? It will become easier. Normally we should use bracket in the question. For this, answer will be 0. Okay, question number 22.
Sir, 8.
How did you?
So 1250 can be written as 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 4.
See, 1050, 1250. First you divide by 2, so you will
You
get
get 625, which is 25 square. That is 5 cubed. 5 raised to the power 4, right?
so you can write 2 to the power of 1 and 5 to the power of 4, right?
Yes.
You write like this. Okay, now let's solve questions. I'm erasing this. So I'll frame two equations. One equation says 2 to the power of x minus 7 into 5 to the power of x minus 4, and that is equal to 1250. Another equation says 2 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 4 equals 1250. Let's call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Can we equate 1 and 2? Can we say equation 1 will be equal to equation 2? बोल सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Because see, 1250, this is equal to 1250, this is also equal to 1250. So in that case, we can write, 2 to the power of x minus 7 into 5 to the power of x minus 4, and that will be equal to 2 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 4. होगा ना? Now you tell me what should be the value of x so that x minus 7 is equal to 1, right? And x minus 4 is equal to 4. So clearly this x is equal to 8. If this is only, then it will be 2 to the power of 8 minus 7, which is equal to 2 to the power of 1, and 5 to the power of 8 minus 4, which is equal to 5 to the power of 4. So x is equal to 8. That is our answer. होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Read the question again. We need to find the value of x. Understood? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No doubt. Okay, good. Moving on. Solve this. You all understand the meaning of square and square root? Square and square root. This is called square root, right? And this is square. X square. Square root. This is square root. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. And 4 square is equal to 16. You can easily solve this question using heat and trial method also. क्योंकि बहुत आसान है ये. Sum of squares of two numbers. Take two numbers. Let's say x and y. Okay. Sum of squares. First you find the squares. And their sum is equal to 145. Right? Sum of squares of two numbers is 145. So we can write like this in the form of equation. If square root of one number is 3. If square root is equal to 3. What is the value of x? What is that number?
9.
9. Correct. So one number is 9. So can we write instead of x square, can we write 9 square plus y square equals 145? Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
First number is x, second number is y. So we got the value of x, which is 9. So instead of x square, you will write 9 square. Now from this, what will be the value of y? Another number, second number?
8.
8.
8.
8 is the answer. Question number 24. Squares, square root. See one thing. If square of 75 is 5625, what will be the square of 7.5?
56.
यहाँ पे you can see that after decimal there is 1 digits. So here after decimal it will have 2 digits. 0.75 square. After decimal there are 2 digits. So in this case there should be 4 digits. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Solve this question. If you are watching this video on YouTube, you can write your answer in the chat box. Kali Gupta is saying, sir, GK भी करवा दीजिए. We'll do GK. GK will be on Monday. Monday 9 to 9:30 will come live and there will be GK discussion. Okay, चलिए इसको solve करते हैं. Okay, so this will be equal to 75 plus. I can see that after decimal there are 2 digits, so it means this is the thing. After decimal 4 digits, it means 0.75. If you add everything, that you will get the answer. So it will be 83.25.
Yes.
So that is your answer. Now let's learn 2 more concepts. One is basic algebra. Second one is cyclicity. Cyclicity is finding the unit digit of any number. And numbers are in the form of powers. Basic algebra बचपन में पढ़ा होगा. These 3 formula are very easy और सबसे ज़्यादा यही यूज होगा. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. ये 3 आपको याद होगा. उसके अलावा ये सब भी आपको याद करने हैं. This is important. Question point 8. I'll star mark it. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. And we are going to use all these जब हम question solve करेंगे. Question will be in the form of simple numbers. मैं आपको अभी दिखाऊंगा. But you will have to use the concept of this basic algebra. A plus b plus c whole square is a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. For example, we have taken 2 numbers, 2 questions. 101 into 101. If you multiply, it will take much time, so it would be better if you do 100 plus 1 and then whole square. So now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. It's easier to solve. Similarly, if you see 205 into 195, so this is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, right? Where a is equal to 200 and b is equal to 5. And we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a square means 200 ka square and b square is 5 square. And that will give you the answer. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Next concept that we have to learn. First we learn the concept, उसके बाद हम सवाल करेंगे. Finding unit digit. How to find the unit digit of any number when number is given in the form of p to the power of q. Any number in the form of power. So there are certain cases. And we will focus on unit digit. For example, if we have a number 79512, we will focus on unit digit. That means ये 2 पे focus करेंगे because this is the unit digit. Okay? कोई भी केस होगा, we will focus on unit digit. So if unit digit of the base, I mean if any number is in the form of p by q, we are talking about p. P is base and this is power or exponent. If base का unit digit is 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, overall जो है ना उसको solve करेंगे तो answer is equal to p, base only, unit digit only. For example, 10 to the power of 100 or 50 to the power of 200 or 110 to the power of 201, anything. In all these cases, you can see that number unit digit is 0, right? If unit digit is 0, doesn't matter what is the power, answer will always be 0. Similarly, for 1, 5 and 6. If any number is ending with 0, 1, 5 or 6, answer वही रह जाएगा. Answer means unit digit will be same. For example, if I ask you 735 to the power of 121, what will be the unit digit once you solve this? Answer will be 5. Why 5? Because this unit digit is 5. So unit digit में अगर 0, 1, 5 और 6 आए तो आंसर वही रहता है. ठीक है? This is case 1. Now case 2, इसके अलावा जो नंबर बच गए उसकी हम बात करेंगे. ठीक है? In that there are 2 more cases. So now we are left with what all numbers? कौन-कौन से नंबर है जिसकी हमने बात नहीं की? So we are left with 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and 9, right? इसके अलावा अगर कुछ भी आया तो आंसर इज सेम. But what if unit digit is either 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 or 9? तब हमें क्या करना है? In that there are 2 cases, case 1 and case 2 की हम बात करेंगे. Okay, case 1 or I would call it sub case. ठीक है? Sub case 1 says if power Subcase 1 says if power is completely divisible by 4, then base even number, so answer will always be 6. If base is an odd number, answer will always be 1. ठीक है? I'll give you 2-3 examples to make everything clear. So I was saying that let's take a number 203 to the power of 400. Okay, now we can see that this power is completely divisible by 4 and base is an odd number, right? Unit digit. This unit digit is 3, which is an odd number, so answer will be 1. But if I take 208 to the power of 404, again this power is completely divisible by 4, but right now this base unit digit is 8, which is an even number, answer will be 6. Is it clear to everyone?